At a distance of 45 meters, you are going to meet a speed ramp, or there's a speed ramp ahead at a distance of 45 meters. At a distance of 45 meters, here you are with the speed ramp. So you can see the speed ramp is here, and the blue one is always put at the immediate place. The red is always 150 meters, or they will indicate as you saw it there. This is a warning sign. Two warning signs, one on top and one down. The top one means that there is a speed ramp ahead. So, speed ramp ahead, level crossing with barrier ahead, but it is 50 meters. After 50 meters, then we see it. That is the meaning of this one.